Hi, I'm Victoria from Clive Coffee, and today we're going to be showing you how to set up your Baratza Sette 30 espresso grinder. Let's get started. Step 1. Out of the box and onto the counter. Remove the grinder from its box and place it on a solid, level surface. Inspect the grinder for any damage. If you notice any, contact us immediately. Insert the hopper by aligning the 3 prongs and rotate a quarter turn clockwise to lock into place. Plug the grinder in. It will turn itself on. Step 2. Feeling the coffee. Put some beans in the hopper and grind them into your hand. Feel the grounds. For espresso, they should feel similar to table salt, not as fine as powdered sugar and not as coarse as sand. If too fine, adjust coarser. Too coarse, adjust finer. We find that the espresso setting is generally around 9. Step 3. Dialing the dose. Now that the grind is in the ballpark, it's time to start pulling shots. First, grab a scale and tare the weight of the portafilter. It's worth noting that the Sette 30 is a single dosing powerhouse. Its conical burrs and vertical grind path make for almost no grind retention. If you're only making a couple of cups a day, single dosing is ideal for keeping your coffee fresh. If you plan to single dose, simply weigh out your beans ahead of time and grind them through. If you plan to do weight-based dosing, now would be the time to fill your hopper. With the portafilter in the portafilter holder, press the play/pause button to start grinding. Press it again to stop when the portafilter is nearly full. Now weigh the portafilter. Add or remove grounds as necessary to get to 20 grams. Step 4. Adjustments, shot time. Grip the tamper handle as though you were grasping a doorknob. Tamp straight down and simply lean your weight into it comfortably. The amount of pressure is not nearly as important as your consistency and ability to keep the tamp perfectly level so water doesn't find weak spots. Insert your portafilter and start the shot. We're going to be watching for the time of the first drops of espresso to fall between 6 and 10 seconds. If they fall outside the window, you'll have to adjust your grind setting. Under 6 seconds will be thin and sour, so you will need to adjust finer. Over 10 seconds will be bitter, and we need to adjust our grind setting coarser. Make small adjustments. This will be easier than making big changes and overcorrecting. As the shot progresses, we'll observe the total shot time. Our target output is 30 grams of liquid espresso, or approximately 1.5 ounces of espresso, including crema, in 25 to 30 seconds. If it falls under 25 seconds, adjust your grind finer. If it falls over 30 seconds, adjust coarser. If you find that your ideal setting would be between 2 numbered settings, we suggest adjusting your dose. If your shot is pulling too fast, add a gram or so to slow it down. If it's pulling too slow, try removing a gram to speed things up. For more tips on coffee technique and recipes, check out these videos here. For more coffee know-how, don't forget to check back in at clivecoffee.com.